Here's a caliper in a vise. Put some air pressure on it. See if I can get those pistons to come out. Sounds like they did. Something happened. Those two did. These two didn't. Sticky. How am I going to get them out? I just watched this on YouTube. Nice. Need a smaller socket for this one. Got a smaller socket. Slowly. Oh, cool. This one might be a little more difficult because it hasn't been started at all. Let's see what happens. Feels very stuck. Won't even spin in there. Yeah, I thought this was going to be an easy job today. This one just won't budge. I'll try the smaller piston and see if it budges. Nope. Went and got a socket that fits right inside that piston. And the thing does move. So all I'm trying to do is see if it'll wiggle. And it's wiggling. So why will it not spin? I've been fighting this thing. I did finally get this one started. And it's coming out. Come on. Got it. I finally got this one to spin. The key, it seems, once you get it started, is actually use very light pressure. Drop the socket a few times. That helps. That thing's out. For this one, I'll go ahead and use the air pressure to pop one side out. One piston moved. Oh, there's the other one. Okay, so this side is coming out. Oh, we got more coming out. I put a little more air pressure in the compressor. That one's out. Should have put a rag in there. Now the piston removal trick again. Oh, got it. Next, go to another size socket. Another one. Let's see what these pistons decide to do. Got one over here and one over here. One of them will probably release. Oh, brake fluid mess. I'll go drain this first. They're both moving a little bit. It's a good sign. Pull one of those pads out and do this again. One is out, dripping brake fluid. So I'll have to take it apart and try to use my piston pulling technique on the other side. So I got to get that piston out. Let's see if I can get this trick to work on this caliper using a 1/2 inch drive ratchet this time. Definitely worked better with a deep socket. Sure get it to spin. It's just hard to get the pull on it. Should I use vice grips? Coming out very slowly. And it's out.